Let's look at how to solve equations. When we're solving equations, think of an equation as a balanced scale. Whatever you do to one side of the scale, you must do to the other side to keep it balanced. To solve, you must get the variable by itself. A variable is the letter that we use to stand for an unknown number in an equation. Okay, here I have x plus positive 16 equals positive 7. To get the variable by itself, you must do the opposite of the sign given. The equal sign is what separates our equation into two equal sides. So you can think of this as one side and then the other side. Okay, we have a addition sign and we're told to do the opposite. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to say x minus 16 equals, and then I have to do the same thing to the other side, 27 minus 16. So now since I took it away from this side, I'm left with x. I'm going to write it over here so you can see it. And then I do this side, 27 minus 16. Let's come up here and do that. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now I have x equals 11 as my answer. Let's look at some more examples. Okay, a variable does not always have to be x. It can be any letter. So now I have s plus 10 equals negative 5. I have an addition sign and I have to do the opposite. So I'm going to subtract it. Remember my two sides to my equation. So if I subtract 10 over here, I'm going to subtract 10 over here. This is the same. We know we have two negatives. So it's negative 5 plus negative 10. I'll make that a little easier for you to see. Okay, I did the same thing to both sides. Alright, so now I have s by itself. And we know that negative 5 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 15. Okay, let's look at a subtraction equation example. I have m minus 6 equals 6. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to plus 6 on this side. Also, I'm going to plus 6 on this side. Okay, since I did the opposite on this side, I got my variable by itself, and 6 plus 6 is 12. S equals negative 15, M equals 12.